Here are a variety of connectors used in audio work. This is a simple mono pin. You can see tip and sleeve. This is also called TS, tip and sleeve, TS connector. This is another TS connector. Actually, this is part of a cable in which a stereo pin receives the audio and splits into two for two speakers. And here you can see three connectors: tip, ring and sleeve. Then it is called as TRS connector. Here is another type. This is a bigger one. These two and this one are 3.5 mm connectors, while this as well as this are 6.35 mm connectors. Actually, this is an adapter. This is not a connector. If you want to connect this type of TRS pin to a socket of 6.5 mm to which this pin will usually go, then you have to use this adapter. This is a 6.35 mm adapter. There is another adapter which can be used for the other way around also, which can connect a 6.35 mm pin to a usual 3.5 mm socket also is there. Then this one is a different type. It's an RCA, formerly Radio Corporation of America, RCA type of audio pin. Then this one is XLR. That's here in this case it is used as the connection between the base of the mic and the cable. Here you can have the plug and this is the socket. This has three pins inside: XLR socket and XLR plug. This is on the base of a mic. There is a locking mechanism when you connect the XLR type of socket and plug. This is the latch. You can release it only if you press this one and then pull the two parts apart. 3.5 mm TRS pin has been unscrewed to show the inner connection of the three wires. This is for the sleeve, this is the ring, and this is the tip. This is the 3.5 mm to 6.35 mm adapter. Now the adapter has been inserted over the 3.5 mm stereo pin. So this becomes compatible with usual phono jack, stereo phono jack, with outer, ring and tip. Outer is the sleeve, ring, tip. Now this becomes a 6.35 mm connector. This is corresponding to the sleeve, ring and tip. This is another 3.5 mm pin from an ampli speaker input. This can be used in laptops. You can take the audio output from the laptop and connect it to a small speaker so that audio will be heard better. This can be applied to a mobile phone as well. Some of the older mobile phones had sockets for 2.5 mm stereo pins. That will be a little thinner than this 3.5 mm pins.